The next thing I want to talk about is quartiles. Okay? That's a weird word, quartiles. So what quartiles are their medians of the sets of data above and below the median. So remember, our median divides my data in half. We can also call that Q2. So Q1 is the median of the lower half of the data, and it's also called the 25th percentile because 25% of the data values that occur are less than it. Q3, and we're going to calculate all of these, is the median of the upper half of the data, right? And it's called the 75th percentile. And that's because 75% of the data is less than it. And we're going to use these data values to make a very specific type of graph in just a minute. So, the lower quartile, like I said, breaks the data up. It's the lower half of below the median. The middle quartile, Q2, that's the median itself. And the upper quartile, Q3, is the median of the upper half of data. I like giving you guys multiple definitions, so I decided to define it twice. So let's go ahead and find the quartiles for this data set. So the first thing I need to do is I need to find the median. So what's my N here? How many pieces of data do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Awesome. So my median will be located at location 11 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 17 is my Q2, which is our median. Now what I've done is I've divided my data in half. I have my lower half of data and my upper half of data. In order to find Q1, I'm going to look at my lower half of data. And I have to pick the middle value. Well, now I have a data set with 5. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle value is 13. For Q3, I have to find the median of my upper half of data, which is going to be 21. So there I found Q1, which is the 25th percentile, Q2, which is the 50th percentile, and Q3, which is the 21st percentile. Sorry, 75th percentile. Jeez. Let's do this again. Let's look at this data set. I have 7, 17, 26, 34, 41, 47, 52, 56, 59, and 61. This is an even number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10. So N equals 10. So I'm going to have to find the average of my middle two pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Okay, so I have to take 41 plus 48, plus 47, divided by 2. That gives me 88 divided by 2, which is 44. So this is my Q2, also known as our median. Now, because 44 is in the middle of this, my lower half of data includes 41. We don't exclude it. So here's my lower half of data. Let's go ahead and find Q1. Q1 is going to be in the middle of this data set. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 26. And Q3, the 75th percentile, is going to be in the middle of this data set, which is right here, 56.